Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, لو أن لابن آدم واديا من ذهب أحب أن يكون له واديان. That if the son of Adam, meaning humankind, if they had a valley full of gold, they would want two of them, right? They would not be happy with one, they would want more. Okay? Then he said, وَلَنْ يَمْلَأْ فَاهُ إِلَّا التُّرَابِ. And nothing fills the humankind's greed, essentially, or fills his mouth, except dust, except the earth when they're buried. Meaning, you keep wanting more until you die. وَيَتُوبُ اللَّهُ عَلَى مَنْ تَابَ. And then, very, very importantly, the main topic of this hadith here in this chapter, and Allah forgives who repents to Him. What this reminds us is, here Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, you will never stop being greedy throughout your life. If you have this, you will want more. You want that, and when you get that, then you want this, and so on and so forth. You never stop in all aspects. So continue to do tawbah because of your greed, and Allah will accept the repentance before you die. So we need to be constantly in the state of tawbah and istighfar.